Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I just did this kind of blue and goldish look. I'm not a fan of the lipstick. I don't really like the look, to be completely honest with you, but I did want to try something different. Yeah, hope you guys liked it. It's kind of looking a little toucan sand up top, and then up bottom it kind of looks like, I don't even know. I don't know. I have no idea, but I'm not really feeling it. Let me know what you guys think. And
hey guys, so I started out with my eyebrows penciled in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil, and my eyelids already primed with the NARS concealer in the color Ginger. And I'm just taking this NYX shadow in the color Electric Shock, and I'm putting it in my crease. And I'm using a flat, fluffy brush, if that makes sense, and it's a medium-sized brush. Now that I'm done blending out my crease, I'm just going to take that same eyeshadow and pat it in and pack on that color so it's less transparent and more opaque. Now you just want to rip the tape off if you did decide to put any tape on, and then just clean up any fallout that you have. I'm just using my Ruby Kisses liquid liner. It doesn't have a color, but I'm assuming it's black. I suck at liquid liners, so bear with me, okay? Prime with Milani Prime Perfection. I mixed the Fenty and the NARS foundation with the L'Oreal Glotion and the NYX Liquid Illuminizer. I'm just going back in with that same concealer from NYX in the shade Ginger. Setting my concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I will just be going over top of that with the Black Radiance foundation in the color Honey Caramel, and the rest of my face with my True Match foundation in the color W8. I'm just using the Black Radiance contour palette in that middle shade to carve out my cheeks. Setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter finishing spray and highlighting with the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Contour my nose, I'm just going back in with the Black Radiance contour palette in that middle shade color. And to brighten up my eye, I'm just taking this white eyeliner from NK Auto Eyeliner and just popping that in my waterline and adding the same NYX shadow on it and smudging it out a little bit. Just going back in with the same contour powder. I started not liking my look at this point. It was a little too bright. I think I put a little too much translucent powder on, but this is the end of my look. Hopefully you guys like it. Let me know what you think. On my lips, I lined the perimeter of my lips with this Maybelline Super Stay Matte 85, and then in the center of my lips, I just have this Anastasia liquid lipstick in, I don't know what it is, but I will leave the name of this down below, just like all the other products I will leave down below. Hope you guys like this, because I am not really feeling this look at all. Like, maybe it's just lips. Maybe I should change my lip color, but to what?